Pangea, this idea of an unseparated landmass. That wasn't that long ago. And it's tribulation which separated everything. The apostles spread the gospel to every corner of the earth. And it says, the angel went over and pronounced the gospel to everybody before tribulation, and everybody saw it. Is it possible that it was easy to get to everywhere at one point because everything was connected by land very easily and not separated by vast oceans, treacherous oceans that would take months to traverse? Possibly, the wilderness described that they wandered in for 40 years. Israel wandered in the wilderness for 40 years after escaping Egypt, and they say, people argue that the distance they had to travel didn't take 40 years, should not have taken 40 years. It's not that far. And I think someone was giving an example of a Roman siege where they traveled way further in such a shorter amount of time, during a campaign, all the way through Macedonia and through Turkey and everything like that, and back, all the way back into Greece and to Rome through Italy, and it's kind of like the distance they traveled is like literally 80 times more the distance than Israel had to travel and wander in the desert for. It's possible they weren't wandering through that land, they were wandering through a vast wilderness.